Welcome to our in-depth look at original Vapcell BL4 battery charger 4 slots, 9V 3A fast charging 5 functions Type-C port for 18650, 21700, 18350, 2700 battery. In this video, we'll walk through what it is, why it matters, and how it can help you every day. We'll keep the pacing friendly and the language natural, so it's easy to follow along. If you're considering buying or upgrading, this overview will give you confidence. First, let's start with the key idea behind original Vapcell BL4 battery charger 4 slots, 9V 3A fast charging 5 functions Type-C port for 18650, 21700, 18350, 2700 battery. Think of it as a practical solution designed to make common tasks faster, more reliable, and more enjoyable. From the design to performance, every part aims to deliver real-world value instead of just specs on paper. You don't need to be a pro to appreciate the details. We'll highlight what actually matters. Now, let's talk features. With original Vapcell BL4 battery charger 4 slots, 9V 3A fast charging 5 functions Type-C port for 18650, 21700, 18350, 2700 battery. You can expect thoughtful touches that improve comfort, convenience, and usability. Whether you use it at home, at work, or on the go, the experience stays consistent. Responsive when you need speed, stable when you need consistency, and easy to learn even if you're using it for the first time.